bring in criminal defense attorney and host of the Sidebar podcast, Joshua Ritter. Joshua, as we've been mentioning, this is the first time a parent of a school shooter has been found criminally responsible for their child's actions. How seismic was this jury's decision in terms of how future cases are tried?
I think it's huge. I think it's really hard to understate how important this decision was, because this isn't the first time that parents have been held responsible for, let's say, the negligent care or supervision of their children. But what this verdict is saying is that they're going to hold parents responsible for the independent actions of their child if they are negligent or willfully disregard certain red flags in the behavior of their children. They're being held responsible for those deaths. This wasn't about negligent parenting. This wasn't about them, falling short in their supervision of their children. They're saying that because you disregarded certain things, because you were grossly negligent, we are holding you responsible for the deaths of these 4 victims.
Yeah, it certainly sent a message and a warning to parents everywhere with this case. Why do you think we haven't seen a parent convicted for a school shooting committed by their child before? I mean, what was unique about this specific case?
It's exactly what you said. It's a unique legal strategy because they're asking that question: can a parent be held responsible when their child acts independently of the parent? In other words, there was no allegations that the Crumbleys were present at the school, that the Crumbleys helped plan this horrible shooting, but their child took it upon themselves to go get that gun, to go to school, to conceal that gun, to commit these horrible, horrible murders. And they're saying that they should still be held responsible for that, despite all those independent actions, because they were negligent in avoiding or ignoring those warning signs and doing nothing about it. And most importantly, I think, introducing that gun by purchasing it for him.
Yeah. And when you talk about the parents together, we obviously know, Jennifer Crumbley has now been convicted on all 4 counts. Looking ahead now, come March, it's James Crumbley's time to take the stand. If he's facing identical charges, do you expect the same outcome and fate for him?
I do. And in fact, between the 2 of them, I think that Jennifer probably had a stronger defense and that she could point towards James and say, he's the one that purchased the gun. The gun was really his thing with Ethan. I didn't really have much to do with it. I don't think James has those same arguments that he can make. I think he's going to still try to point the finger at Jennifer and say, she was more involved in his care and understood his mental health more than I did. But if this is any indicator, I think that his defense team is very concerned at this point.
And then my last question for you, Joshua, before I let you go, could this conviction have prosecutors going back to retry parents of past school shooters? I mean, could this work retroactively now in other cases that the world has followed?
I think you're absolutely going to have prosecutors revisiting some cases where they didn't bring charges against parents. But as long as there's not some sort of double jeopardy issue or statute of limitations issue, they can charge those parents if they haven't already, to hold them responsible. If they feel that this case laid the groundwork, if they feel that their facts, and it's a very fact-specific analysis, if they feel that their facts rise to the same level as we saw in this case, I wouldn't be surprised if you saw other prosecuting offices taking that chance.
Well, it certainly sets an interesting precedent as we move forward, and those verdicts sending shockwaves really across the country. Joshua Ritter, thank you so much. As always, appreciate you joining. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.